USMW-HD Oil Pump, part number USOP1757. This pump is designed for Cummins ISX engines and is a direct replacement for the following OE part numbers: 28-81757, 380-0753, 402-4814, 402-6691, 430-9500, 495-5954, 553-2492, and 559-9284 RX. USOP1757 is a 100% new oil pump, not remanufactured. USMW-HD oil pumps meet or exceed all O.E.M specifications for fit, form, and function. The USMW-1757 oil pump features hardened 26 and 28 tooth steel gears and shafts, is 100% leak tested prior to shipment, and comes complete with all necessary gaskets and shims. Features include precision steel gears, hardened 26 and 28 tooth steel gears, precision CNC machine surfaces, and a heavy-duty aluminum housing. USMW Heavy Duty. Industry-leading quality, 100% O.E.M performance.